Welcome to my vlog. This is Mimi Guapa. Tonight, I'll be reading one of my poems that I have written and was published already and included in this book titled 101 Poems, an Ode to a Beautiful Life. This is part of the 5-book series of 101 poems of a beautiful life that I will publish on Amazon. I have already published 2. The first one is this, the second one is this. So if you can support me, you can order them both from Amazon, or you can contact me because I have hard copies still here on a soft sheets of paper. Like, I forgot, it's paperback. The paperback versions of these books. I don't have a hard copy or a hardcover version, but I only have paperbacks. And if you have no means though, you can contact me or message me. I'll give you a free ebook version of these books, because the reason why I wrote them in the first place is to share them to all the people that I can come in contact with and I can connect with. So in whatever journey of my life they may have entered or get to know me, they can be inspired as well of how beautiful life is. Now, tonight, I'll be reading one of the poems. So far, I have already published 202 poems. So, out of the 202, I will read the third, because I've done recording myself reading from this book 2 times already. So, the third poem that I will share from this book is titled the number 4. Like a wheel, they say. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, and may also normally lose the crown. Sorry, but often I tend to forget this actual truth and the dynamics of living, because all I wanted is I beget, the price of my hard work, my keeping. As I am profoundly realizing it now, I want to write it down and mark the date, that today I vow to always learn how to patiently wait and endure my hate. That though I hate it when I am down, there's nothing wrong if I frown, so long as I am making sure that I'll bounce back and have a cure. So I say to myself, you may not be normal, but not beyond help. That if you go up and down at times, those are not top-ranking crimes. Hopefully, you will never feel alienated again, especially in times you hit the spike and the hype. Because honestly, it would surely be a bore if the wheel of life is not in control. The Wheel of Life, written and performed by Mimi Guapa. Thank you for watching.